What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube video 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're just going to open the Bashplate. I got this from Ocam Industries and it was only $169 and it's gonna go inside underneath the Ford Ranger. The install should only take about 15 minutes. All you need is a spanner and this 15mm, I think this is 16mm bolt. We're gonna open the box, and these bash plates are pretty heavy. They're 4mm steel. I'm guessing they're almost about 20 to 30 kilograms. These things. Quite heavy. So most bash plate are usually around $230, $250 to $300, but this one's a bargain and it's 4mm. And this one comes in 2 pieces. So we've got a few brackets. I'm not sure if we're going to need these ones. There we go. Also comes with the black bolts right here. It's got the washer right here, but I think I might use the original ones in there. We'll have to see. Let's see what this one looks like. So this one should be for the sump. Oops, it's quite heavy though. So the one in the Ford Ranger, the original bash plate is like a really thin aluminium metal. So this one is full steel, so it's pretty heavy, and it's going to protect underneath the car. This one's got the Ocam logo. This is probably about 10 kilos at least. It would be nice to have the Ranger logo in there, but alright, so I'm going to go unscrew the bolts underneath the Ford Ranger and remove all the bash plate from there. Alright, so what we need to do is to remove the screws here. Should be one over there. And there's another two here, and there's another two at the back over there. So this is what the bash plate looks like. They're not as thick as the other one, but that's what the stock bash plates are. That's it guys, so the bash plate is installed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and also comment if you have anything to say, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.